Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to channel for all the product insights you need to make informed choices. Today, we're exploring a versatile and high-powered tool that promises to make blending, whisking, and frothing a breeze. This is the MegaWise 3-in-1 hand blender set with variable speed control, featuring a 400-watt motor and a range of useful attachments. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or baby food, this product aims to handle it all. But does it live up to the hype? Stick with me as we take a deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value. The MegaWise 3-in-1 hand blender set is designed for those looking for a multi-purpose kitchen companion. It comes equipped with three main components: the Immersion blender, a whisk, and a milk frother. The Immersion blender is powered by a 400-watt motor with a turbo boost option that reaches up to 800 watts, delivering ample power for a variety of blending and chopping tasks. Stainless steel blades ensure durability, and the BPA-free attachments offer peace of mind for safety-conscious users. One of the key selling points is the adjustable speed control, which allows you to fine-tune the texture of your blends. Whether you're preparing a smoothie or a creamy soup, you can customize the results to suit your preferences. On top of that, this set includes a beaker for easy mixing, and everything is detachable for hassle-free cleanup, as all the parts are dishwasher safe. If you're short on kitchen space, the compact design makes for easy storage. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the MegaWise hand blender set was surprisingly straightforward. Simply attach the desired accessory, plug it in, and you're ready to go. The Immersion blender worked like a charm when I tested it with a batch of smoothie ingredients, including frozen fruit and yogurt. The 400-watt motor, coupled with the turbo boost, allowed the blender to power through the mixture without any strain, delivering a smooth consistency in under a minute. When I switched to the whisk attachment to make whipped cream, I was impressed by how quickly it aerated the mixture. The milk frother attachment worked just as expected, creating a light and creamy foam for my coffee in mere seconds. The adjustable speed control really comes in handy, especially when you need to control the texture of your blends. If I had one complaint, it would be that the motor can get a bit noisy at higher speeds, but it's nothing unusual for a hand blender of this power. In terms of build quality, the MegaWise 3-in-1 hand blender set feels solid in your hand. The stainless steel body gives a premium feel, and the attachments seem durable and built to last. The 400-watt motor is sufficient for everyday tasks, and while it's not the most powerful hand blender out there, it handles most tasks with ease. The variable speed control is a feature that stands out because it allows a level of customization not often found in similar products at this price point. For instance, while cheaper hand blenders might only offer a single speed setting, this one gives you the flexibility to adjust it to your needs, which is perfect for different types of recipes. However, the downside of this flexibility is that the power button could be a bit more intuitive. It sometimes takes a little longer to get used to the different speed settings, especially when switching between them mid-task. One of the big pros of this set is its versatility. The three attachments, blender, whisk, and frother, mean you're getting three essential kitchen tools in one package. This can save both money and space, especially if you don't want to clutter your kitchen with multiple single-use gadgets. Plus, the whisk attachment worked wonders for anything from eggs to light batters, and the frother created the perfect foam for my lattes, making it ideal for coffee lovers. Additionally, the blender made short work of smoothies and soups, so for anyone who regularly makes those items, this tool is a time saver. The compact design also means it won't take up valuable counter space, and cleaning is a breeze. All the parts detach easily, and the fact that they're dishwasher safe really cuts down on post-cooking cleanup time. But, like any product, there are some areas that might not be for everyone. The noise level, as I mentioned, is something to consider if you're particularly sensitive to sound. While not excessively loud, the motor can make quite a racket at higher speeds, especially when you're processing harder ingredients. For some users, the 400 watts motor might feel like it's not quite powerful enough, especially when dealing with tougher ingredients like frozen vegetables. Though the turbo boost feature does help, it might not be the most ideal for larger quantities or really dense foods. And while the design is compact, it's not the most ergonomic. Holding the blender for longer periods of time can feel a little awkward, especially with the thicker handle. Some users might find it uncomfortable, depending on the size of their hands. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the MegaWise hand blender set offers solid value, especially considering the 3 attachments and the adjustable speed control. While there are cheaper options on the market, they often don't offer the same level of versatility or quality. For instance, if you're looking at standalone Immersion blenders in the same price range, you might get a more powerful motor, but you'll miss out on the added functionality of the Whisk and Frother. When you factor in all the different uses and attachments, this product definitely stands out in terms of the overall value it delivers. In comparison, there are similar models available from brands like KitchenAid or Breville. However, when you look at the price differences, the MegaWise set really holds its ground. KitchenAid's models, while often more powerful, can be significantly more expensive, and they might not come with all the same attachments. The MegaWise set strikes a good balance between price and functionality, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for an all-in-one blending solution without breaking the bank. Build quality is one of the key strong points of the MegaWise set. The stainless steel construction feels robust and premium, especially for a product in this price range. The attachments are designed to be long-lasting, and the fact that they're dishwasher safe adds a lot of convenience to the overall experience. As for longevity, while we can't predict long-term durability without more data, the reputation of MegaWise suggests that this product is built to withstand daily use. The brand seems to prioritize user satisfaction, as evidenced by their customer support, which is available 24/7 via live chat and call support. If anything were to go wrong, it's reassuring to know that help is just a message or call away. If you're a fan of smart home gadgets or devices that rely on constant software updates, it's worth noting that this blender doesn't fall into that category. There are no software updates or firmware changes to be concerned with, which is typical for this type of kitchen appliance. In fact, the lack of reliance on software makes this product easier to use and maintain. To sum it up, the MegaWise 3-in-1 hand blender set delivers great value for its price. It's versatile, easy to use, and performs well across different tasks. Whether you're making smoothies, frothing your coffee, or whipping up some scrambled eggs, this hand blender has got you covered. It's not the most powerful option on the market, but for most everyday blending tasks, it gets the job done efficiently. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one kitchen gadget that can handle a variety of tasks without taking up much space, this one is definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of the noise and the ergonomics if you plan to use it for extended periods. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the MegaWise hand blender, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, you can find the product link right there in the comments box. Until next time, keep blending, frothing, and whisking your way to better meals.